Welcome to all. This is my 23rd video on Windows. In this video, we are actually discussing about Windows, how Windows will be operated, what is the technique behind the Windows, how we can customize our Windows. So before we starting, we have again go to the run command. What is actually run is a command where you can interact with your system with exe. Suppose I want to open my exe file, that is a word file. I just go to the my programs and type the Microsoft Office, and you see your word will be and then the Excel will be open. Whereas you can type a command or you can interact any program open with exe. Suppose I just want to open a word file, so I just type WinWord and word file will be open. What is the technique behind them? What we do when we type the winword.exe, which is actually exe command from the Microsoft Word. Suppose you want to see which kind of exe will be running on system. If you don't know what is the exe responsible for Word or any program, just open the program in one time and then go to the task manager. How you can go the task manager? There is a simple keyword is a control alt and delete. Once you type control alt delete, your system go to the task manager and then go to the details programs, and here you can see that is a there is a word icon will be displayed here, and that is a winword.exe will be running on the system. So that is a one thing which we can easily can know. Suppose now your system is running and that is a TeamViewer is services is running. You can easily switch end task and easily end any kind of task which is responsible. But some files which are known as system and some files which are known as with name or local, which file which are interacting with the system, this kind of value you cannot be and this kind of exe, because system indicate that this is a necessary file which must be run if the system is on. You cannot kill that exe. Once you click the exe, this exe again comes and this will be again run. Just I end this one. After some time, that is a teamviewer.exe is again come. So that is the one thing you must be remember, that is a username. A username which is a system, you cannot delete this kind of system. Second thing, that is a PID. What is a PID? PID is actually that is a parent ID. Okay. This will be given by your operating system with the priority basis. Sorry. Suppose any program which is highest priority, this PIDs will be highest, and this will be decided when system process will become on your RAM. Suppose I again go to the TeamViewer and this PID is 2456 and I end task. This process at this time is built out from the RAM, but again it's come from the RAM because it's a necessary file. System is on, this it must be run on your system. Once it's again come, this PIDs must be changed. Look at this, some changes will be done. So we have just check out. Still there is it must become after some time. Maybe it takes some time, but it must become. And those file which is your username or local system, you can be kill on that exe. Suppose you just winword.exe and then go to the end task and use end process, this word file will be closed. That is the one thing which is very responsible for those things. That is a PID. PID is responsible for your process ID, and this will be given by your operating system. And the next one is a very necessary file, that is explorer.exe. Just click on the E And here you can see that some file is a explorer must be running on. Look at this, I just this one. If you easily see, this file is a icon is something a folder icon. This exe is responsible for running your system. If your system is on a stage, this file must be running on your system. If you can click and you can see that is a username, that means you can delete this process, but before deleting any process you must know what is actually reason what is this exe will do. That explorer.exe is actually runs your all program. For better description, I just open a notepad. Sorry, spelling. What is explorer.exe? Actually, explorer.exe is responsible for running my computer. Here my computer means this PC. If you can see this window, there is also be explorer.exe reason behind them that you can able to see. But now we have go to our task manager and end task explorer.exe. This given your warning that again end process, and look at you cannot interact with your system. I just close this file. Here you cannot interact with your system, no my PC, nothing. At that moment, if I close the task manager, nothing you can do. You cannot operate, and that time is your my computer, your system will be not responsible. Okay, but we are going again, go to the file option, then run new task, and then again type explorer.exe. Once you type, that is the magic of exe in Windows. So you have just learned the basic thing of Windows, what is the value of exe in Windows. Thanks for watching, keep subscribe my channel, and later on we again come with new videos. Thanks for watching, thank you.